Social decision theory, the basic insight. The idea of social decision theory was first discovered by Borda and Condorcet. The general method for reaching a consensus among humans are voting, such as majority rule. However, the result of voting are often inconsistent, largely due to the inconsistency of voting rules. The two scholars most often associated with the development of social choice theory are the Frenchman Nicolas de Condorcet, 1743–1794, and the American Kenneth Arrow, born 1921. Condorcet advocated a voting method, majority voting. Arrow introduced a general approach to preference aggregation, collective preference. By Condorcet jury theorem, probability of individual voting correctly is p. The probability of individual voting incorrectly is 1 minus p. Also, p approaches 1, for all pgt, 0.5 as the number of voters approaches infinity. This is the basis for democracy. Majority preferences can be rational, intransitive, even when individual preferences are rational, transitive. Let's say 1/3 of a group prefers alternative x to y to z, a second third prefers y to z to x, and a final third prefers z to x to y. Then there are majorities, of 2/3, for x against y, for y against z, and for z against x, a cycle, which violates transitivity. According to Condorcet, no alternative is a win. Example. Issue about choosing ice cream flavors. We can see that Group A prefer. First choice is chocolate. Then vanilla. Then strawberry. While Group B prefer. First choice is vanilla. Second chocolate. Then strawberry. And lastly Group C prefer. First choice is strawberry. Then chocolate. Then vanilla. If Group A has a simple majority, chocolate flavors be chosen for all. The coalition of Group B and C can be formed to change the decision since these two groups did not prefer to choose chocolate flavor no matter the reason it is. If that Group B gets the majority, then a coalition to change the decision can be formed by Group A and C since they both prefer and maintain their decision flavor of ice cream. If Group C gets the majority, the decision can be changed by a coalition of Group A and B who both could not tolerate with Group B's decision. The situation here is called cyclic social preferences, there is no alternative which is a winner here. In this case, social decision theory suggests that there should be a rational method or alternative for aggregation. Arrow's impossibility theorem has shown that no voting method exists which satisfies all of the following 6 conditions. 1. Free citizens' sovereignty. 2. Independence of irrelevant alternatives. 3. Unanimous, Pareto consistency. 4. Completeness. 5. Transitivity. 6. Non-dictatorship. Arrow's theorem solutions. In an attempt to escape from the negative conclusion of Arrow's theorem, social choice theorists suggested these ways out. 1. Limiting the number of alternatives. 2. Domain restrictions. 3. Relaxing transitivity. 4. IMS555, relaxing independence of irrelevant alternatives. Example application of social decision making for business organizations. IMS555, first is promotion. Second, new projects. Then we need an implementation of critical initiatives that benefit the nation in the long run.